This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Introduction. IKEA is one of the world's leading retailers of furniture and household fittings. In the course of its operation, the company has encountered a lot of obstacles. Therefore, to ensure that its operations are effective and efficient, the company has always been formulating strategic plans to ensure that its operations in the short run and the long run are effective and sustainable. To achieve this status and to ensure that it is maintained, IKEA has developed a strong organizational culture and control systems that support its short-term and long-term strategies. This paper shall therefore focus on the organizational structure of IKEA and its control system and determine the impacts that they have on the company's strategies. Organization and control structure of IKEA and their impact on the company's strategies. To ensure that the operations of the company are effective and efficient, IKEA has maintained a stable organizational structure and culture. The managerial strategy of IKEA is formal, non-hierarchical, and it is based on teamwork. How the organization operates portrays the ideology of its founder, Ingvar Kamprad. The operations of IKEA are designed to ensure that its mission is achieved. This mission is to ensure that IKEA makes life better for the masses. To achieve this, IKEA has always been producing high-quality goods and services for its customers at the most affordable price. The non-hierarchical organizational structure of the organization ensures that all the employees have a duty of care and respect for one another. As a result, employees at IKEA do not have titles. At the same time, they do not get special privileges for the positions that they hold. There is also effective communication among the employees. This ensures that the correct information is passed from employee to employee and from department to department. This ensures that operations within the organization are conducted effectively and efficiently. IKEA also believes in recruiting young employees who are innovative. This ensures that the organization has the best personnel on its staff. This in turn ensures that the strategies and opinions that these employees come up with work to sustain the operations of the company in the short run and the long run. This ensures that IKEA stands at a competitive edge over its rivals. The fact that the organization has adopted a decentralized organizational structure ensures that information within the organization flows in all directions. This, therefore, gives employees at all levels a chance to contribute to innovation, strategy formulation, and decision-making. Thus, a strategy like a self-assembly that originated from Gillis Lundgren ended up being a culture in the operations of IKEA as it is practiced at all its outlets worldwide. In addition, the organization does not believe in hiring experienced individuals. Instead, it recruits young people without prior experience and integrates them into its culture. In addition, promotions are conducted within the organization. This not only reduces expenditure on salaries but also ensures that the company remains the best in terms of creativity and innovation. Furthermore, this ensures that the people who work at IKEA have love and passion for their work, thus they strive to achieve the goals and objectives of the organization are achieved as well as their own goals and objectives. Conclusion. The fact that IKEA has adopted a decentralized, non-hierarchical organizational structure provides a serene environment for all employees to participate in decision-making and strategic planning. This, therefore, ensures that the strategies that the organization comes up with put the company ahead of its rivals within the market. This in turn guarantees the sustainability of its operations in the short run and the long run. As a result, the organization had a better chance of achieving its mission, vision, goals, and objectives. If you want to find more works like this case study on IKEA structure and control system analysis, head over to ivypanda.com. It has a collection of free samples with thousands of submissions covering virtually all academic subjects. No registration required to access it.